Hi children, how are you? Welcome to Naveen Sir class. In previous class we learned data handling. So in this class we are going to learn construction of triangles. So in this construction of triangles, how we will construct the different types of triangles we will learn. To construct a triangle, we should follow some rules. Here, we do not need all the 6 elements, that is, 3 sides and 3 angles of a triangle to construct a triangle. So here, we does not require all the 6 elements of triangle. There are 3 sides and 3 angles. Does not require all the elements to construct a triangle. Here, a triangle can be drawn if any in the situation given below. That is, if we know this, the 3 sides of the triangle. If we know the 3 sides of a triangle, then we can draw a triangle. And 2 sides and the included angle between them, nothing but between the 2 sides, the included angle they given, we can construct, we can draw a triangle. So here 2 sides and included angle. Included angle means between them. Third situation, 2 angles and the included side between them. So here, if they given 2 angles and the included side they given, then using this measurement, 3 measurements, we can draw the triangle. And fourth situation, hypotenuse and one adjacent side of a right angle triangle. So if they given hypotenuse and adjacent side, of a right angle triangle, then we can draw the triangle. So here we does not require all 6 elements of a triangle. So if we know 3 sides or 2 sides and included angle, or 2 angles and included side, or hypotenuse and one adjacent side, either it is base or height. So this is a right angle triangle which is opposite to the right angle. This is called as a hypotenuse. So if they given hypotenuse and adjacent side, either it is a base or height. So these 2 are adjacent side for hypotenuse. So here, if they given these situations, we can construct a triangle or we can draw a triangle. Let us discuss about the construction of triangles. Here, construction of a triangle when measurements of the 3 sides are given. So, we are constructing a triangle if the given measurements of 3 sides. If the given 3 sides of measurement, how to construct a triangle? Let us see. So, first we should draw rough sketch. First we should draw a rough sketch of by using given measurements. So like this, in this way, A, B, C. First AB is 5.5 centimeters and BC is 6.5 centimeters and CA is 7.5 centimeters. First we should draw rough sketch of triangle by using given measurements. Now first we should draw a line segment. First we should draw the line segment by using ruler. So first here what we done, base 5.5 centimeters. So by using ruler we should draw a line segment with length of 5.5 centimeters. So here place the ruler and from where we should start? From 0. From 0 we should start from initial point. So place the ruler and draw 5.5 centimeters. So like this we should draw 5.5 centimeters. So here 5 centimeters. After that 5 centimeter, 5.5. Nothing but again 5 small divisions. 5 small divisions also we should draw. 5.5 and name AB. Name as AB and write 5.5 centimeters. As a 5.5 centimeters. Next, second step, by using compass, you should take 6.5 centimeters length, or you can take 7.5 centimeters. In these two measurements, you can take any measure. So, by using ruler and compass. So, here, place the pointer of compass at 0 of the ruler, and we should take the, by using compass we should take the 7.5 centimeter measure. Like this we should take 7.5 centimeters. See, like this. Like this. First here, look at here, the pointer of compass we should keep against the 0 centimeter of the ruler, and remaining the pointer of pencil or chalk base, it should be touch the 7.5 centimeters. Now, what is the 7.5 centimeters? CA. So CA, nothing but, so this pointer of compass we should place on the point A, and with center A we should draw an arc by using compass. And next BC, 6.5 centimeters. So by using ruler and compass we should take 6.5 centimeters. So same, the pointer of compass we should keep on at 0, against the 0, and we should take 6.5 centimeters. So this, like this, 6.5 centimeters. Now BC, so BC is 6.5 centimeters. Now with center B, this pointer of compass we should place on the center at B. As a center B, we should draw the another arc. It will intersect the first arc at C. Now we should join the A comma C and B comma C. We should join this A comma C and B comma C. Now this, we know that this is a 7.5 centimeters and this is a 6.5 centimeters. So the required triangle ABC is formed. Steps of construction. After construct the diagram triangle, we should write the steps of construction. So as a step by step. First, draw a rough sketch of the given measurements. So already we drawn a rough sketch of a triangle of a given measurements. Second one, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeters. So first we drawn line segment AB 5.5 centimeters. And third step, with center A, draw an arc of radius 7.5 centimeters. After drawing the line segment, we draw an arc with center A by using the radius of 7.5 centimeters. Next, fourth one, with center B, draw another arc. So with center B, we should draw another arc of radius of 6.5 centimeters. This arc intersect the first arc. So this second arc intersect the first arc at C. So now we should join A comma C and B comma C. So we should join the vertices A and C and B and C. The required triangle ABC is formed. The required triangle ABC is formed. So if they given three sides of a triangle, in this way we will construct the triangle. Here, worksheet on construction of triangles. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to 4 centimeters, BC is equals to 7 centimeters and CA is equals to 5 centimeters. So the given three sides of triangle ABC, they asked him to construct the triangle ABC. Keep watching. Thank you.